Crawler 2.4 quarter scale metal series remote control buggy, or they call it a monster hobby truck, which I'm not sure what exactly that means, but it's rated ages 6 and up. It operates on a 2.4 gigahertz frequency. So this is the box, so you guys can see what all is. You get it. So it's supposed to have an anti-fall frame, independent suspension, better cruising speed, high power motor. I'm told that it's also an aluminum body, so we'll find out about that in a minute. Anyway, that's the box. Let's take a look at what's in it. And there's the remote that you would get with it. But let's take a look at what actually comes inside the box. So, first thing in the box is the controller. So, fairly standard controller for this type of thing. And got a screwdriver to get some batteries in there, but hopefully it comes with them. So we'll set that to the side for now. Next, we have the actual new buggy itself. Now, as I said, this is in fact aluminum. Shell's aluminum. Doors are aluminum. The everything else seems to be plastic though, but those parts are aluminum. Plastic. Now, let's see if I can back this up and get a look at the suspension. So the suspension on this seems pretty good actually, well, especially for a remote control car. So the other side, you need a screwdriver to get the batteries in on this one as well, or just once to unscrew it and then get rid of the screw, which I think is what most people do. I'm not exactly sure what that's for. We'll find out once I read the manual. But overall, it looks like pretty decent construction. I'm wondering how fast it goes, but we'll find out. So set that to the side for a second, see what else we have in the box. So in the box, we get a Christmas card and probably some other stuff. Let's see. So you get your warranty card. Put that to the side. You also get your instruction manual. Set that to the side. And what appears to be a Christmas card. Let's open this up. Thank you card. Basically, it's an offer for a gift certificate, so we'll set that to the side for the time being. And let's see what else we get in the box. So we also get lithium battery. Another battery. And that's it in the box. So here's that screwdriver that we mentioned earlier and some replacement screws. Always nice to have those because those do get lost. And a USB charger for the batteries. So we'll charge these up and see what else. So that's basically what you get in the box. As I said, on initial inspection, the body parts are aluminum. Not very thick aluminum, but they are aluminum, which is always nice to have. The graphics are actually pretty nice on this, I've got to admit. The suspension is good. The tires seem, are not inflatable, but they're basically what you expect on a standard remote control car. The tires are replaceable, so you have screws to replace the tires if you need to. I know some people like to upgrade their remote control cars. I don't see a way to easily replace the motor if you want to do that, but I know that is an option as well on some of these. So anyway, that is the unboxing video. I will recharge this up and play with it for a little bit, and I'll give the review later on.